Hello everyone, today is June 24th, 2026, just 4 days left before the 100% exclusive online trading event. I can't wait to see you there. We have surpassed 1,000 points in gains in the free signals channel that I opened on June 1st, 2026. What more could you ask for in terms of social proof, legitimacy, and of course, results? Congratulations to everyone. We have recorded only one loss since the very first day in 2026. This was verifiable and you can still check it for yourself. Congratulations. So today, in this video, I'm going to explain a bit about the situation on EURUSD, USD CHF, etc., the upcoming plans, and I'm going to show you a tool that you don't have access to yet, but that you might soon have in your hands. It's a spoiler that will allow you to anticipate certain pullbacks. As we can see on EUR-USD, we are currently breaking below the bottom of the range. However, I'm still a buyer on EUR-USD despite this downward trend. We are in a bearish trend, there's no denying it, it's obvious. On the other hand, we are expecting a retracement very soon. Why? As you can see from the high point to the low point, we have more than 300 pips without any correction. I have taken a sell trade. I'm actually still in it, which I shared with you. The before and after is available on the Telegram channel. You can see that it really broke downwards sharply. Now we're waiting for a correction. Caution is advised. As you can see, we have several interesting and relevant levels here, which are liquidity grab levels. The first one here, the second here, and the third. The price will normally very soon form a pullback, and that's actually a certainty to either retest the bottom of the range and continue downward, or re-enter the range, trigger all the stop losses, and then head back up to the top of the range. As I was telling you, that's still my number one plan, so we'll see how things develop. This range has been lasting since June 2025, so it's been exactly 1 year. We'll see if it's time to break out of it. Personally, I'm waiting for a pullback, and I'm a buyer, so the trend is bearish, obviously, that's clear, but I'm waiting for a buying trade, and you'll see me enter a position very soon in the coming days. Another indication, if we look at EUR-GBP, you'll see we're in a range. By the way, EUR-GBP is a pair that I never actually trade. It's probably been years since I last entered a position. Why? Because as you can see, my levels are still here. I don't know how old all this is, but in any case, it's been a long time. The key level was respected, but this is a pair, let's just say it, that is extremely strange to trade. As you can see, it's always in a range. There are still a lot of signals that are difficult to interpret. So personally, it's not a pair I'm looking to trade. Well, actually, if you look here, if you bought at the bottom of the range each time, it was a gain here as well. Here too, here too, here too, and here too. Here as well, it might even potentially be a gain here. So, well, it's not a pair that's very complicated to trade. However, the range won't last forever. And in any case, I'm not interested in it. What interests me here is seeing that there's Euro-GBP. The first currency in the pair is the euro. If Euro-GBP is going up, that potentially means Euro-USD will also rise. Although Euro-USD is the most traded pair, so it takes precedence over Euro-GBP. A little exclusive, how to anticipate a pullback. You don't have access to this tool yet, but you'll have it soon. I'm going to show you the statistical advantage I have now compared to all the other traders. We're looking at the 1 minute chart, but we could also look at the daily. So as you can see, there are numbers around these Japanese candlesticks. You might ask me, what is this? Well, it's very simple. It's simply the buy and sell contracts on each candlestick. Just imagine the statistical advantage of being able to see the buy and sell contracts on each candlestick. This allows you to know where the trends are, how they are going to form, to enter before a candlestick closes, and therefore to have the statistical advantage. You can see it here, all the sellers, all the buyers. Here we have 3 sell contracts, 11 sell contracts. Now we have 10 buy contracts, 0 sell contracts. And based on this information, it's possible to enter a position with other technical confirmations. This is an exclusive feature made by French Trader. You'll see in the coming days, you'll have access to all these incredible tools that will give you the edge over other traders. This is the future of trading. Regarding USD CAD, let's take a look at what's happening. For USD CAD, it's the opposite, obviously, of EUR USD. There is a decoupling between these two pairs, so I'm going to go straight to USD CAD and check the situation a bit. Now, let's take a look at the daily chart, and it's the same thing here. I still have the same plan, and nothing has changed at all. Nothing changes under the sun. As King Solomon would say, let's remove all of this. The level here you see that we're looking to test is still the same. We'll have 2 distinct targets. Why not set the first one right here, which is an important liquidity zone? and then the second one over here, just like this. So that's looking very good. The higher the price eventually goes, the better it will be for us in the end, because the potential short trade we could take in the future will provide us with a much more favorable risk to reward ratio overall. We can imagine something like this. Now, I'm not telling you to enter a position right away. There aren't any official signals yet, but still, we can definitely imagine a position like this. I'll show you right away. There you go. And we'll try to target, why not, this point here. These are positions I've been sharing with you for years. Let's take a look at what's happening right now with the long and short contracts. To get a bit of a slight edge over all the other traders on the 1 minute chart, I'll show you the candlesticks. Let's see exactly what's happening. So, as we can see here, for now, there are still quite a few buyers in the market. As soon as I spot an interesting signal, I'll enter a short position and share it with you. If we can enter this week, I'd actually be surprised. Otherwise, it'll be up to you to check for updates next week. In any case, this is the future of trading. Congratulations. I'll say it again. We've made over 1,000 points in trades in the Signal channel. For those who don't like me, that's perfectly fine. One thing is certain. I've made you money. I proved it not with rented Lamborghinis, but with my skills and my knowledge. Before and afters. Congratulations. The beginning. Be there on June 28th, 2026 at 8 p.m. UTC2.